You have any ideas, Rick?
I don't know. John? I don't know.
I don't know. Too ordinary. With all apologies to everyone, all the Johns out there. Now, let's welcome Chef Rick Roman back to QVC with something that is brand new today from Technique. This is a cast aluminum roaster with a basting knob and a glass lid. And there's that cooking rack on the inside. This is the time of year that we're either using this pot for casseroles or we're using that roasting rack, and we're putting things in there like roasting chickens, turkey breasts, hams, maybe a chuck roast, pot roast. They all fit inside.
That's right. You know what? This is cast aluminum, David. And you know, with Technique, we wanted to take the best of all the materials and all the ideas from all our years in the kitchen. And I love this because cast aluminum gives you the durability and all that heat conductivity without all that heavy weight. So you can actually maneuver with this pan. It's not super heavy, but the aluminum gives you even heating and fast heat up. So what does that mean? Searing large pieces of meat like this gets that even browning, all that flavor. But what I love about this pan now is after I've seared my meat, we've given you this roasting rack, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our vegetables on the bottom. Then we take our roasting rack, and the reason the roasting rack's important is because it allows for air circulation. So after you've seared that meat, you don't want it to steam in there.
It's also getting the drippings from the chuck roast.
Yeah, and so it's gonna baste the vegetables on the bottom. Then, because it's 8-quart capacity, not only do we have this large cut of meat, we can put our vegetables in, and now we put our
chuck roast.
Our potatoes. But here's the best part, the lid, right? So we have this basting lid. You put the lid on. There's a little tiny hole in the middle. So why is that there? Now I want to take things like rosemary and garlic. Think about those fancy steakhouses, how they usually have a little bit of butter on your steak. Well, imagine now you put a couple pats of butter in here. When I put this in the oven, it's going to melt with the rosemary and garlic and literally self-baste that meat while it's cooking.
Now, lift your lid there for just one quick second.
Oh, sure, absolutely.
And let's hit this with some salt and pepper.
Oh, a little salt and pepper. All right, absolutely.
And hit the veg with some salt and pepper. And any residual will go down in between those racks and flavor the mirepoix down below.
Exactly. So what's going to happen? So whether it's high heat searing, whether it's low and slow, this unit is really perfect for so many different things. And I love, and I'm going to have you give me a little assist.
Help you.
We're going to drop this in here. Now, 8-quart capacity, right? So what does that mean? That means I can do 8 quarts, okay? Are you ready? 8 quarts of baked mac and cheese. Check this out.
Oh, my question is, what are y'all gonna eat?
Look at that. I mean, you want to talk about feeding an army, and because it's got that incredible non-stick. Excuse me, baked ziti. I said mac and cheese, baked ziti. I'm always
Either way, I'll take it. Don't miss out on this. We don't have a lot of any one color to go around. These are going to go very quickly, and it's brand new today. Many of you are thinking about, hey, I need a roasting pan.
Yep.
I need something in my arsenal that is medium size, that will be ceramic nonstick, and will work on every stovetop, including induction, if I want to make a gravy in here. Now, this color is called Crimson Red. We have fewer than 1,000. Now, beside that, I've got the Jet Black, 1,300, and then on the end is the Midnight Blue, only 600. 5 easy payments go away, end of show. This is an 8-quart capacity, so if you want to do a casserole in here.
Casseroles, you can cook breads. Here's the other thing. Think about this. The shape of this was so important to me when we designed this. A lot of roasting pans or braziers are round, but guess what? Because it has that deep rectangle with the rounded edges, I could do 2 entire chickens. Think about that. 2 4.5-pound chickens.
Roasting chickens.
Roasting chickens with the rack and the vegetables underneath. If it was round, I wouldn't be able to fit that in there. That shape gives you kind of, to me, gives you that more versatility if you want to do the long roast and the long. Then, if you want to use this on stovetop or induction, okay, it has an induction plate, so you can use both regular stovetop or induction plate. We're doing a braise, and that's why cast aluminum is so important, because
Are those short ribs?
Short ribs. Oh, come on.
Oh,
seriously.
come on.
So let's see.
I watched Ina make short ribs on YouTube the other day. I was licking the screen.
Look at this.
I was like,
Look at this, David. I'm talking low and slow. That's because with aluminum, okay, you want to talk about fall apart, melt in your mouth, beautiful, delicious short ribs. Because the aluminum conducts the heat so evenly, you can do anything from that high heat cooking to that low and slow simmer, and that's the important thing.
Let me try these short ribs just to make sure that they're safe.
Oh, I got to put some gravy on there for you, a little sauce.
They're fall apart tender.
And
the way God intended a short rib to be. And the bones are so important because they help to thicken the sauce.
They give you the flavor.
They also give you great flavor.
Look at this. I mean, come on.
Now, Chef David, you made these? Oh, so good. So good.
And we also, you know, David wanted to put a ceramic nonstick that was easy to use, so you can get the great sears, but the clean as a breeze. It washes out so easily. We recommend hand washing this just because of also the size of it. And then I said it. What do you, are we taking care of you today?
Yeah. I need a little snack. Need a little sustenance.
And then over here, I'm doing 8 quarts of chili. Think about that. Think of large batch cooking.
All right, now 500 of these are out the door. Many people don't have roasters. And so this is why an item like this becomes so very important. Maybe you're doing chili for a big game get together or for movie night or just a regular Thursday night, and you want to keep it warm on the stove until everybody gets home from ball practice or dance recitals or dance practice or dance rehearsal, whatever. Now, brand new today, we have this in the Crimson Red, $8.50 in the Crimson Red. Then the Jet Black, $1,200, and finally we have it in Midnight Blue. I have 350 remain. 5 easy payments go away. Not the end of day, Chef Rick.
Yeah.
Go away end of show.
And you know, this is another important thing for me. I wanted something that was large, and I said it before, it's cast aluminum, but I want you to feel the weight of this. You know, so many people talk about pans being too heavy to manage. It's substantial, but it's not heavy. So
it's not super heavy like cast iron would be.
Exactly. So it's easy to manage. And then look at the gauge of this. Super thick, heavy gauge. That's how you get that great even heating. That aluminum really transfers the heat evenly.
And there's that stainless steel plate on the bottom that allows you to go onto your stovetop or onto induction, right?
This is an induction burner we're using right here. And because it dissipates the heat, the chili, isn't that chili nice? And here's the other thing we did. Look at this. We did a homemade focaccia. Look at the even browning. That's that aluminum construction we're talking about. So you can even cook breads in here because of the shape of this pan.
Aluminum is a perfect conductor of heat.
Yep.
So when you are cooking in aluminum, you're not going to have any hot or cold spots.
That's right.
You're going to have even heat distribution. This is also a capacity story. This is 8-quart capacity.
8 quarts.
You can do a little bit in a large pot. You can't do a lot in a little pot, right? So these are 4.5-pound roasters.
That's right.
We have 2 of them.
That's
plus
right.
veg in this roaster, and now you've got a family of 6 all taken care of.
Oh, easily. And the fact that you can make these large batches, whether it's the baked ziti, the chili, you can freeze them, the batches. And then that basting knob, think about my steak that I roasted. It was basted with garlic, rosemary, and butter. So it's whether it's searing, simmering, roasting, you name it. This is a super versatile pan.
Those short ribs are.
Are they good? I got to get a little bite.
You should try that.
I got to get a little bite there.
Get a little short rib.
All right.
And make sure you feed Rachel too.
Oh my God.
How about that?
That's my lunch right there.
We have a whole team of food stylists who are also chefs, and Chef David did this. Oh, sir. Those are fantastic.
I'll take that
I'm going to leave that with you and tell you we have this in Crimson Red, 700 Red, Jet Black, 1,000, and if you want Midnight Blue, I have 200 remaining. Rachel, bring your own fork from the table.
We'll save some.
But she's going to talk about what she's wearing first, and then she's going to come over and have some short rib.
All right.
All right.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to